Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we have a very interesting topic. As you know, Zambia went to the polls on August 12, 2021. Of course, there was a winner, of course, there was a loser, and of course, there was the people's champ. Hakainde Hichilema is our new president. After beating his nearest rival by over 1 million votes. The loser was definitely left crying. The people's champ, Mr. Hamududu. With a new government obviously comes with new reforms. Mr. Hichilema has promised us a robust economy. He made a simple declaration.
10 hours were sworn in. By 14 hours, the kwacha will appreciate against the dollar. By 14 hours.
And we're already seeing the effects. The kwacha in the past 3-4 days has already gained almost 20%. He has promised to clamp down on corruption and push out investor confidence. Investor confidence is going to bring in more money, and more money is always good for an economy. More money in the economy and more foreign direct investment simply means there'll be better development in the country. As a real estate investor, this is your time to shine. Generally, we have been promised better interest rates and lower taxes. To the real estate developer or investor, better interest rates, meaning you'll have better access to money and you'll be able to finish off the projects that you started while in the previous regime. More people will have access to mortgages in the low to middle income bracket, so we're talking about the 700 to the 1 million kwacha bracket. More jobs have also been promised, which simply means there'll be more players in the low to middle income bracket. The UPND government has also promised us better, credible investors. This in its turn brings more cash flow to the treasury. This in its effect is going to cause the kwacha to strengthen more, as has been seen in the past few days. Investor confidence. Better exchange rate simply means there's going to be a migration between the middle and the high income bracket. As it stands, a house that was costing $3,000 last week was equivalent to around 62,000 kwacha is now going to be trading around 50 to 52,000 kwacha. That's a good 10 to 15% drop. In the coming months, I see $3,000 probably costing around 40,000 kwacha. As a result of this, we will have a new bracket. Those will be the ultra-high luxury homes, ranging in the $5,000 to $10,000 range. Confidence. Upon HH winning the elections, JP Morgan in America has advised its investors to buy Zambian government bonds. This simply means they trust Hakainde Hichilema. I mean, he's a seasoned businessman, for Christ's sake. You see, donors are now going to start coming in and bringing foreign direct investment. They pretty much stopped coming in because they feared things were not going to be okay with the previous regime. This caused a surplus in commercial real estate, i.e. warehouses and commercial office parks. Shopping malls such as East Park Mall are pretty much at 50% occupation. With the robust economic recovery plan that HH and the UPND has in store for us as Zambians, I see more players in the commercial and the residential market. It is also anticipated that wage freeze is going to be lifted. More jobs in the economy simply means more players in the real estate market. Pay as you earn is also supposed to be reduced from 37.5 to 22.5 over a 5-year period. This simply means more take home for the employee. Suddenly, that flat I'm advertising for 12,000 kwacha in Ibex Hill seems very affordable, doesn't it? So what am I saying? Between now, August 2021, and roughly August 2023, I see a demand in the low to middle income housing bracket. So there will be a deficit. My advice to you as the real estate investor is to invest in this bracket. Your target market will be the 3,000 kwacha to 10,000 kwacha. In that bracket, I see full occupancy. For the commercial side, your time is also coming. Investors are coming. For the Realtor, more commission. So for all those in the diaspora and locally, I would advise you to start investing in this bracket and invest hard. I know this content I've given you is worth it. So please hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. I'll get back to you with any queries that you may have. Cheers.